Hello kids, I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will learn about the birds. Birds fly in the sky. Now we will begin with the peacock, which is a very beautiful bird. Now pigeon, sparrow, parrot, owl, crow, eagle, ostrich, myna, kingfisher, quail, kite. Now kids, let us discuss some more. What is our national birds? Very good kids. Now name the word which cannot fly. Very good. Now which birds lives in water? Very good kids. I hope you understood this very well. You will practice this at your home by yourself.